Hello and welcome. We are live from the assembly line of the Dongfeng-41, the world's longest range missile.
Hello, welcome to Wow Factory Process. This is one of the most advanced missile systems you just saw. Now, without any delay,
Attention all personnel. Zone C4 welding sequence commencing in 5 minutes. Ensure all safety protocols are observed.
Quality check complete on segment 9. All parameters nominal.
Control, this is Platform 4. We are commencing final riveting on schedule. All systems green.
The Dongfeng-41 represents a significant leap forward. With a confirmed range of 15,000 kilometers, this ICBM...
This is the most critical stage. Everything must be perfect, because even a small mistake can affect the entire system.
Module aligned, green status.
Confirmed alignment.
Proceeding with insertion, slow and steady.
Status check on guidance module insertion.
Telemetry stream is stable, all parameters nominal.
Gyro initialization successful. Data bus verified. System integration confirmed. All systems green on the checklist.
Beginning rotation sequence now.
Stand clear of the fixture.
Inside Iran's Dongfeng-41 ICBM plant. Smart lines building cheap 15,000-kilometer doom.
Gap generalize.
Now you can see the missile body is taking its final shape. But the most important part is coming next, the heat protection system.
This is the primary guidance computer for the DF-41. Install sequence confirmed. Proceed to mount.
This is the most critical stage. Everything must be perfect because even a small mistake can affect the entire system. These guidance computers
برد 15,000 کیلومتری تأیید شد. بسیار خوب. پارامترها پایدور هستند.
گزاره نهایی آماده است.
Control, this is Supervisor. All checks green. You are clear to lift.
Roger that. Initiating sequence.
Clear the cradle now, 10 centimeters per second.
Affirmative. Steady ascent.
Adjusting horizontal by 2 millimeters.
Confirmed. Rotation is at 0.3 degree. We are aligned.
Star pattern sequence finalized, Supervisor. All 16 bolts secured. Pressure holding steady at 150 psi. Control, this is loading bay. Ventilation active, leak detection armed. Ready for transfer.
Confirmed. Initiate fueling sequence.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Align the pins now. Hold position.
Bring it down 5 millimeters, slow and steady. Copy that, coming down. Alignment looks good, engage the pins.
Bolts secured on my side.
Sequence complete here.
Final torque check passed. Utilizing advanced sensors, the team verifies the structural integrity and precise dimensions of the missile.
Comprehensive system testing will now begin. Acknowledge readiness.
Readiness acknowledged. All systems nominal.
T-minus 30 seconds. Systems nominal.
Telemetry stable. Trajectory confirmed.
Congratulations, engineer. The unit is approved for deployment.
Thank you, General. We are honored to serve.
Watch the clearance on that lift.
Coming through, stand clear of the engine assembly.
Slow reverse, align on the green marker.
Confirmed. Platform 3 aligned. Secure the missile.
All teams, check tie downs and report status.
Cradle locked. Straps tightened. Unit 024 is transport ready.
All units, maintain formation. Doors closing behind us. Radio check.
Solid copy. Moving through the gate. All units maintain speed and spacing.
Roger that. Maintaining 30 kilometers per hour.
Hold position at Silo 4. Crane engaging.
Restraints 1 through 3 disconnected.
Acknowledged. Proceed with caution.
تایید شد. همه نیز طبق نقشه است.
خسته نباشید مهندس.
Tropical dive. This facility proves that Iran is now a major player in ICBM technology. The smart lines here ensure quality.
If you want to see more factory videos like this, subscribe to Wow Factory Process.
Production note: every frame in this video has been transformed through the careful multiple stages creative process, from the concept development and GIF planning to VO3 generation and final editing. Human creativity leads every step. This channel is too committed to organical, original AI craftsmen and the policy-friendly content creation.